Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, how are you? We met again in cooking time. Today we will make cheese banana. I will tell you how to make cheese banana. First, we prepare the ingredients are consist of kepok banana. You just need 5 slightly kepok bananas. Masses, you can use as you like. Cheese, if you need, as according to your favor. Sweet flavor milk, you can use as you like too. Then, margarine or butter. We can use about 8 tablespoons or according to you. Okay, now we start to cooking. You can follow the following steps. First, put the teflon on the stove, like this. Then, put 1 tablespoon of margarine or butter. Then, turn on medium heat and wait the margarine melt. After that, let's slice bananas and wait until lightly brown. Remember, the banana don't till burn. By the way, if you don't like kepok banana, you can change to tanduk banana or ambon banana. After the banana brown, leave and place it on a flat plate, like this. Then sprinkle bananas with cheese and masses. Finally, flush with sweetened milk that suits your taste. Cheese banana ready to serve. Enjoy with teh tarik, it's yummy. Okay, our cooking time is over. Thank you very much. We can meet in other time. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.